Here's another quick video tip. If you are serging and you have a fabric with a strange color or lots of color, and you don't want to buy a gazillion thread cones, or maybe you just ran out, what you can do is take neutral colors and fill them up, because we all have neutral color, and then in your left needle use the color that's going to match your project. And here's what happens. Remember, put that color in the left needle. Whoops, I stitched this wrong, but voila! The threads you see are the color of the fabric. So that's what you can do. Save yourself some time and some money. Put the colored thread in the left needle. Hope this helps.